Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we make sure you don't buy the electronic equivalent of a one-legged chair. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of power supplies. Yes, folks, those unsung heroes sitting quietly in your PC, making sure your gaming rig doesn't explode. We're comparing the mighty CORSAIR RM1000x with the budget-friendly Segotep 750W. So grab your calculators and prepare for a shocking comparison. Pun totally intended. Let's kick things off with the price. The CORSAIR RM1000x is going to set you back a cool $189, while the Segotep 750W is a steal at just $99. Reviewers have noted that the CORSAIR is a worthy investment for its quality and longevity, whereas the Segotep is praised for its value for money and reliability. So if you're on a budget and want to save those extra bucks for, I don't know, avocado toast, the Segotep might be your guy. Next up, let's talk modularity. The CORSAIR RM1000x is fully modular, meaning you can connect only the cables you need. Reviewers appreciate its cable management capabilities, allowing for a clean setup. On the other hand, the Segotep 750W is also fully modular and is commended for helping keep things tidy. But let's be real, whether it's CORSAIR or Segotep, you're still going to end up with some mysterious cables that you have no idea what they do. Now, let's get into efficiency. The CORSAIR RM1000x is 80 PLUS Gold certified, meaning it offers high-efficiency operation, lower power consumption, and cooler temps. Reviewers rave about its performance and energy efficiency, making it ideal for high-performance systems. Meanwhile, the Segotep 750W is also 80 PLUS Gold certified with a stunning 91.8% efficiency, making it a reliable choice without breaking the bank. No matter which one you choose, your power bill will thank you. Let's talk fans. The CORSAIR RM1000x boasts a 135mm magnetic levitation fan, which runs quietly and efficiently. Reviewers appreciate its near-silent operation, especially in a gaming setup. On the flip side, the Segotep 750W doesn't have the same fan technology, but it is noted for its quiet operation as well. Just don't expect it to whisper sweet nothings while you're gaming. Finally, let's talk connectivity. The CORSAIR RM1000x has an EPS 12 volts connector for wide compatibility with modern graphics cards and motherboards, making it a versatile option. Reviewers highlight its extensive compatibility and ease of installation. The Segotep 750W also impresses with a native 1.2 VHPWR cable that can deliver up to 600W for PCIe 5.0 graphics cards, making it a strong contender for gamers. So whether you're Team NVIDIA or Team AMD, you're covered. In summary, both power supplies have their strengths and cater to different audiences. The CORSAIR RM1000x is celebrated for its performance, quiet operation, and modularity, making it a favorite among high-end users. The Segotep 750W, on the other hand, shines for its affordability, reliability, and sufficient power for most builds, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious gamers. So there you have it, folks. The CORSAIR RM1000x is the high-maintenance, high-performing power supply that demands a little more from your wallet. Meanwhile, the Segotep 750W is the budget-friendly option that still packs a punch without breaking the bank. In the end, it all comes down to your needs. Are you a hardcore gamer or just someone who needs reliable power? Either way, you'll be making a smart choice with either of these beauties. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.